Hey everyone, it's Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and I'm here at Pop-Up Disney at Downtown Disney in Disneyland Resort, Anaheim, California. This is in the spot of the former ESPN Zone building. It is a photo museum, like an Instagram museum, like the Museum of Ice Cream, where there's a bunch of different exhibits and you can go and take photos with props and different backgrounds, and it's really, really cute. So this is all Mickey and Minnie themed. As you can kind of see, I'm outside. This is the one of the backgrounds they have here, and I'm about to check in and see what this is all about. So thanks for joining me. All right, walking in. So the lobby kind of looks like it used to, except it's completely rethemed with Mickey everywhere. Gift shop over here, and then you just check in at that desk right there. All right, we've been led into the waiting room, which is actually super cute on its own. Actually, some Beats by Dre headphones, where you can listen to the playlist of the pop-up. And then what they do is they give you a ticket, and when they call your color, it's time to go in. So we're just waiting for them to call our color. Okay, we are walking up the stairs from the waiting room to the start of the exhibit. Katie just gasped. Sorry, it's on a boat. Oh my gosh, the first room. So look at this heart. So cool. Okay, moving on to the next room. Oh my gosh, this is all black and white. All right, moving on from black and white room into the next room. Oh, this one's so colorful. To Mickey with love. All right, time to go on to the next room. What is this? It's amazing. All right, moving on from Sorcerer's Apprentice room. See if we can find the hidden Minnie. Oh, I see it. Oh, this room looks cool. Heading out of the mirror room and heading into somewhere new. Oh my gosh. Okay everyone, that's the end of the exhibit. I've showed you all of the rooms and now we're gonna go downstairs and check out the gift shop. This like bumpy. Caramel popcorn, kettle corn, rice treats. Alright, so that's a wrap from Pop-Up Disney. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit my website and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.